Hanggang tingin na lang ba? Anyways, these are my perfume collections. Ito siya. Been using this since 1999. Siguro may 10th bottle na siguro. Ito naman favorite. Special occasions lang. Kenneth Cole Black. And the classic. Ay, paubos na. Issey Miyake for Men. Ito, mabango rin. Polo Blue. Of all the perfume collections that I have, ito yung pinaka-luma. Bought this in Australia back in 2010. So may konting tira pa. Bulgari Aqua. Tapos, ito yung mga bago. Lacoste. And Hugo Boss. Ayan. Hanggang tingin na lang muna. Bye.